So I'm getting back to doing taste tests again for Thursday, and today we'll be having Kit Kat, Japanese Kit Kat lemon flavored Kit Kats. Alright, so this is what the front of the packaging looks like, and this is what the back of the packaging looks like. Alright, let's open this up and try one out. Got them open, so let's pull one out and see what it looks like. So this is what they're wrapped like. So the front looks like the front of our bag, and then they have this little thing on the back. It says, "Have a break, have a Kit Kat." It looks like you can write a message or something because there is a pin sitting next to that little square, and there's a Facebook and Twitter thing, and then that's what the underneath that flap looks like. Alright, so let's open in one. Oh, my Kit Kat's melted a little bit, but that's okay. So that's what it would look like melted. Alright, so let's just break one and see what it looks like. So it looks like there's like a nougat or some sort of cookie inside there. So it tastes like lemon and cream cookies, but it's chocolate, of course, and yeah, it tastes like a lemon and cream cookie. With my chocolate being melted, it's very soft. Lemon is like those cream cookies that you get, and the wafer inside is this color, and it's like those cookies. Inside, it kind of looks like those wafer cookies. Yes, I know this is a candy bar, and it is a candy, not a cookie, but that's what it tastes like, one of those cream cookies with the little wafer inside. The ones with the crisscross. Yeah, so I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you try out these lemon flavored Kit Kats, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye!